Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off captures inside Roblox. So let's get started right away. The first thing you'll want to do is join a Roblox game. You can't actually turn off captures from the home screen, so just pick any game, it doesn't matter which one, and join it. Now give it a second for the game to load up. Once the game loads, you see a capture icon on left. Now let me show you the exact steps to remove it. Look up to the very top left corner where you'll see the three bars, also known as the Roblox menu button. Click on those three bars and from the drop-down list, find the option that says Captures. All you need to do now is click on Captures, and just like that, the Captures panel will disappear from the right side of your screen. Super simple, and now you won't have that window popping up and getting in your way anymore. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tips, tricks, and guides.